Okay, here I got a UAP half euro. This is a UAP Zerolift, I believe it's called. I'll have to look it up. But essentially how this works is it has an anti-bump feature. The pin in chamber 6 is already sitting at shear line, so makes it almost impossible to bump without well, I guess you it's not impossible to bump, but you'd have to have a specific set of bump keys, and you'd have to know where that pin was, or else you'd have to try different keys. But makes it a little easier to pick, I believe, because I'm not going to be picking that pin. I don't believe I am, but we'll see when I get it open. I'm going to be using a gem in 15 thousandths and top the keyway tension. And I'm just trying to get a full set. So it's binding and get a full set. Alright, I got my full set. Pretty deep full set. And I'll see what's giving me counter rotation. Or the most counter rotation, I should say. I think it was pin 1, but it was hard to get to him underneath the, or right behind the tension tool. But I'm pretty sure he's set. Alright, there we go. Not very difficult, but cool little lock. Different. It does have some other security features. It does have some hardened steel pins in there, and this, I believe, is if it's in the door, or like so, and it gets snapped, it'll come off here rather than here and pull the whole half out. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Alright, I'm gonna lock it back up and try to get this circlip off. Okay. Without losing it. Oof. Bent that one to hell, but I could always just bend it back. And let's see what's on the inside. Shoot. Caught up on something. Uh-oh. Oh. Ah, shit. Oh, what is that? It probably had something to do with it. think that was the 5th or the 6th driver. Oh yeah, there's some kind of like T-pins in there. Oh shoot. This isn't going to end well. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, damn. Alright, I'm just going to have to let him out. Oop. Yeah, it's caught on, I believe, the little lip where the circlip was attached. And I'm thinking this was number 6, so it went like that. Ooh, yeah, this was botched. This was a botched gutting. Okay, yeah, that was definitely 5. Alright, I have to... Yeah, I can see those T-pins in there. See, it's gonna kind of poke out. There it is. Poking out. I'm just gonna have to pull it straight back like so and let them fall out. Okay. Yeah, wow, these are cool. They're all kind of like a T-pin shape. Yeah, they're definitely coming out like this, because I can see them poking out. Oh, you know what? There's a... What the hell is this? There's some weird stuff going on in here. This was here. Where the hell was this? This was here. Oh man, I really did a lousy job getting this thing out. This was in here. This was in the first chamber. And then you have these weird springs. What the hell is this? Got like some junk in there. It's like two springs in one. And they're kind of like braided together in the middle. I kind of pulled it apart a little bit, but I don't think that really matters too much. I think I could just like twist it back together a little bit. Wow. This is incredible. And what is this doing in there? It looks like a key pin. Yeah, this is what did it. Damn you. This is what was getting everything caught up. It was actually this lip right here, I believe. Look at the way that goes in like that. I'm not sure why that is. But yeah, you can see pin 6 is sitting at shear line. So the advertisement was correct. That's bizarre, that key pin. I'm not sure why that was there. I don't know if it was upside down. If anybody has any idea why that was there, please let me know. Oh, and that's that huge, yeah, see it's sitting at shear line. It's got a huge driver there. And even the core has some weird stuff going on too. What is that? This is where it's supposed to get snapped along with the rest of the lock. I'm not sure what this is here. I guess there's pieces of steel in there. Big pieces of steel, like steel rods. And wow, that's really... I could probably snap this in half with my fingers. Wow, that's awesome. This is a great lock. Wow. And I don't know why there was a key pin in driver position 2. Maybe it's supposed to go like this. if somebody's watching this, let me know in the comments if this is supposed to be an upside down key pin like so, or I don't think it could go like this. That would make the shear line too large. I'm going to put it back like that. And it has a really cool, really deep spool. And then these guys, I'm not even sure what I would call that. It has a deep serration in here too. It's almost like an acid pin, like the older style acid pin. That one and that one. And that one's just, there's nothing in there. And this one's even shorter. And then over here, see, this guy was sitting at shear line. So, although I didn't have to pick him, the lock can't be bumped with a traditional bump key. Wow, very cool. Cool stuff going on inside here. Alright, I guess that's it. There's really nothing else to show. Here's the outside. Some drill protection there. Yeah, I did a lousy job gutting it, but I'm pretty sure I got everything out in order. Thanks for watching, and thanks Zombie Lock for the trade. This thing was great, and happy picking.